Glory be to the Triune God. I'm extremely happy to greet and wish our New Zealand, Wellington, Mar Dionysius Indian Orthodox Church, OVBS 2024. This year, OVBS will be held on October 3rd to October 6th at St. Anne's Hall, 22 Emmett Street, Newtown. This year OVBS theme is Let's Pray, is taken from 1 Thessalonians 5:17. Prayer is the basic and ultimate truth in everybody's life. Everyone's life is in prayer, by prayer, and of prayer. Without prayer, nobody has no life in this world. I am so delighted to congratulate all the organizing committee members, faculty, teachers, students, parents, volunteers and well-wishers of this year OVBS. May this OVBS will be a fruitful, memorable and a blessed OVBS. My prayers always will be with you all for every preparations and also the OVBS 2024. I am so delighted to congratulate every one of you. May God bless you. My prayers always with you. Thank you.